One of the biggest concerns of every outdoorsman is safety. While traveling the back roads of the country, you might not always have service. So what happens if there's an emergency? In the next few slides, I will give more information on what a personal locator beacon is, how it works, who would need it, and what kinds of situations it would be useful to have to help retailers know the devices they carry in their stores. A PLB, or a personal locator beacon, is a device that allows users out of service to contact emergency services when necessary. They are portable and handheld so that they fit in a traveling backpack. With the extension of the antenna and a push of a button, they send out a distress signal to alert emergency services via satellites to notify them of your position. There are some PLBs that also send out a distress signal during the immersion of water. Some other PLBs also emit a flashing light to help emergency services locate the user, which is especially useful when visibility is impaired due to weather. When the user extends the antenna and pushes the button, PLBs use the Coast Pass SARSAT satellite program aimed towards rescue missions to send out distress signals to the proper audience. Because they connect to these satellites, they are much more reliable than using the cell towers that your phone uses. They use the 406 MHz frequency, which is designed specifically for emergencies. The satellites then transmit the distress signal to the nearest search and rescue team, giving them your exact GPS coordinates. It also sends the signal to the nearest military base to ensure that the user is found. Anybody who is traveling alone should have one of these devices in case they get trapped in a situation where they cannot reach help on their own. Some of the most common owners of the device include hikers, backcountry skiers and snowboarders in case of an avalanche, seafarers in case of emergencies on the water, airliners, and many more. Personal locator beacons are an essential safety device for outdoorsmen. Now that you know what a PLB is and how they work, you may introduce your customers to the safety equipment as they grow in popularity. For more information, you can visit the manufacturer sites of these devices to learn more in-depth detail. Thank you for listening.